masters, motherfucker. So there you go, okay? I have an education. Went away to school and motherfucking graduated from Lima with a master's. So what the fuck are you thinking? That's why you're a bum. Shut the fuck up, because you're a bum. Shut up. Alright, so why the fuck you riding the train? This I can show you my BMW key. Why the fuck you riding the train? Get the fuck out of here and suck my ass.
Oh my God, that's just hilarious. That is hilarious.
No fucking way. She wouldn't have flung a goddamn motherfucking way. Won't you try it? Can you try it? With the big black one ain't here, you try it. How about it? Yeah, I'm waiting to